Welcome to SDT Times Explainer. I am Haribajan Kaur. Today we will be discussing how gold prices reached a record high of Rs 71,000. Why is the yellow metal getting more expensive? Will rates fall? Gold prices in India have reached a new high of Rs 71,080 just in time for the Hindu holidays of Navratri and Gudi Padwa, which are considered auspicious times to acquire gold. Silver reached a new high of Rs 82,064 per kilogram. Gold, considered a safe investment by many, is projected to experience more price increases when interest rates decrease, which investors predict will occur later in this year. Why is there a sudden increase in gold prices at the moment? The bullion rate has risen 14% since March. Geopolitical tension, conflicts, a bleak economic outlook, and the timing of Federal Reserve's rate decreases all contributed to gold prices' unexpected records high. Spot gold on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange gained to $2,344 per ounce, while US gold futures jumped to $2,361 amid predictions that the US Federal Reserve will prolong interest rate reduction following strong US job growth. Sachin Jain, regional CEO of the World Gold Council, stated that gold prices reached an all-time high despite near stagnant demand due to a drop in jewelry demand in both rural and urban areas in the March quarter, as mentioned in reports. So, who is buying gold? According to reports, investors have not been purchasing exchange-traded funds, which are a convenient method to acquire gold. Central banks are often natural purchasers of gold. Other investors are buying physical gold, so it has no impact, said Joe Cavatoni, who heads the World Gold Council's ETF platform. According to reports, the gold market is susceptible to changes in the US economic data as seen by price increases since the beginning of March. Key statistics on manufacturing, employment, GDP, and inflation prompted a jump in gold purchases. According to reports, investors are also driving the dollar higher, making gold much more costly in major consumer economies like China and India. The notion is that investors are hurrying to acquire spot gold now as a safe haven against more potential uncertainties. Ole Hansen stated, "I think the narrative is changing towards sticky inflation and perhaps a hard landing spiced with a lot of geopolitical uncertainty and deglobalization driving central bank demand." Now, what can we expect in the future? India experiences an increase in consumer gold demand throughout the festival season, and the industry has recorded strong pre-bookings ahead of Gudi Padwa, Ugadi, Navratri and Ramzan in April. Due to limitations on gold movement during the Lok Sabha election for the next 2 months, analysts in India think that demand for gold jewelry will be muted in the June quarter. The Reserve Bank of India purchased 8.7 tons of gold in January, the most in 2 years. According to the World Gold Council, the central bank's gold holdings were 812 tons at the end of January. According to the RBI, the value of gold in FX reserves was $51 billion in March, up $6 billion from previous year. The foreign reserves reached an all-time high of $646 billion at the end of March. Meanwhile, China, one of the world's major gold producers, purchased yellow metal for the 17th consecutive month in March. The People's Bank of China's gold holdings rose 0.2% to 73 million ounces, the smallest rise since November 2022. China's foreign exchange reserves are $3.25 trillion. That brings us to the end of today's SDT Times Explainer. Thanks for watching.